Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Twitter account. By enabling it, you can help protect your account from unauthorized access. Step 1. Log into your Twitter account. Go to the Twitter website or open the Twitter app on your device. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. On the website, click on More in the sidebar, then select Settings and Privacy. In the app, tap your profile icon, then go to Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Select Security and Account Access. In the Settings menu, find and click on Security and Account Access. This section contains various options related to your account's security. Step 4. Choose Two-factor authentication. Under the security settings, look for Two-factor authentication. Click on it to see the available options for enabling this feature. Step 5. Follow the setup instructions. You will be presented with options such as using an authentication app, receiving a text message, or using a security key. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Twitter account, enhancing your security. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.